On the left is a highly detailed, professional mandala coloring book that generates exactly $0 in monthly revenue. On the right is a book featuring hunky lumberjacks, an arguably absurd concept that generates massive, consistent daily sales. High sales numbers do not come from appealing to the broadest possible audience. While the instinct is to try and please everyone, that approach often results in a generic product that fails to excite any specific buyer. The Amazon Marketplace currently holds over 100,000 active coloring book titles. Most of these compete for the same generic search terms, making it nearly impossible for a new title to be discovered without a massive advertising budget. The real profit lies in micro-audiences. These are passionate, highly motivated subcultures who specifically look for books that cater to their unique identities and hobbies. Success on KDP relies on finding these uncontested segments and using search data to capture market share that larger publishers have overlooked. To bypass saturated ideas, we use a systematic brainstorming method to identify a hyper-specific subculture rather than guessing what might sell. We take a broad, passionate demographic like the witchy community and force a collision with a secondary theme, such as educational herbs. This also works by combining a high-stress profession, like nursing, with a cathartic release like swear word coloring pages. These collisions work because the resulting books feel highly personalized. A nurse is much more likely to buy a book that specifically references their daily reality than a generic floral pattern. Generic animal books lack the emotional resonance required to trigger an immediate purchase or a recommendation within a community. For our example throughout this tutorial, we will focus on a specific combination, monochrome cat escapes. Forcing these unrelated concepts together acts as a filter, immediately removing you from competition with the thousands of generic titles on the platform. Once you have a concept, you must test it using an incognito browser window to ensure Amazon's search results aren't being influenced by your own shopping history. Type your collided concept into the search bar, followed by the phrase coloring book. This gauge monitors the search results Amazon returns. We are looking for a specific range that balances enough buyer interest with low enough competition to allow your book to rank. If a search returns 30,000 results, your book is effectively invisible. You cannot reasonably rank against that many established competitors. If the search returns 0 results, the concept is too granular. Searching for blue French bulldogs wearing hats results in no search volume, meaning there are no buyers to find you. The target is the 200 to 500 result range. This is the optimal window where buyer traffic exists, but competition is manageable. Our test for monochrome coloring books returns 627 results. This specific range indicates that while there is an active market for monochrome designs, the volume of titles is low enough for a new book to reasonably surface on the first page. Low competition is only a benefit if the existing books on page 1 are actually generating revenue. We validate buyer demand by looking at the specific performance metrics of the current top-ranking books. We look for a best sellers rank, or BSR, under 50,000, which signals high daily sales velocity. We also look for at least 50 reviews, confirming the niche has moved past initial curiosity into consistent, validated demand. A price point between $8 and $15 further confirms that this specific audience is willing to pay a premium for niche content. With demand validated, we map out the back-end metadata required for the listing using a 3-tier keyword matrix. Tier 1 keywords focus on high-volume, direct categorical terms that place you in the broad coloring book market. Tier 2 keywords target specific demographics and themes, such as stress relief coloring books, to capture medium-volume traffic. Tier 3 long-tail keywords scoop up very specific, high-intent searches, like complex mandalas to color. Ensure that no copyrighted or trademark terms appear in your keywords. Amazon will permanently ban accounts that use protected names from other brands or characters. Combining this validated demand with a structured keyword matrix provides an optimized path to the first page of search results. You have now moved from a vague artistic idea to a data-backed publishing strategy. Buyers within these micro-niches are often immune to generic pricing competition because they are looking for a specific experience that only your book provides. This specialized demand allows you to maintain a premium price, which maximizes your royalty margins on every sale. Following this selection process significantly reduces the risk of investing time and resources into a project that has no clear path to discoverability. With the niche selected and validated, the next step is generating the high-quality interior artwork that fulfills this specific market demand.